Are you curious of creating this kind of circle videos? These videos you're actually watching, you can see a little circle video of me still talking, and a circle video of myself is also playing on the background of my video. Now, I'm going to teach you in this tutorial, in this video, on how you can create this kind of circle videos or a portrait videos of yourself also talking on the background of your videos. Maybe you are trying to start a tutorial YouTube channel, but you don't know how to create this kind of videos. For example, you may be coming across some YouTubers who are actually doing some tutorial videos of them explaining something, and in the process of explaining that thing, they actually want to show that particular thing, why a video of themselves will be at the drop down, why you will be seeing them and also seeing whatever they are trying to explain to you. So you have to worry no more, because in this video I'm going to teach you how you can create this kind of videos in two simple steps. First, we are going to use our Android phone to create these videos, and secondly, we are going to use one of the best editing app there to create these videos. No any other app than CapCut. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, or you have not joined my community, please, what you need to do is for you to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you will be watching all my updates that I will be uploading on this platform. So don't forget to comment and don't forget to share my video. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So join me on my screen, where I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of simple videos. So to create this kind of videos, we are going to open our CapCut, okay? Over our CapCut, so you're going to click on Add Project, okay? Add New Project. So you can click on any of your video that you've already recorded of yourself, and click on Add. Now in this process, you are going to, okay? I've already have a picture that I'm going to use, which is a grill. So I'm going to click on Add and come on Picture and use any of this grill, okay, or this grill. I'm going to click on Add. So the reason is because we want to add an overlay on this overlay of our video on this grill. So I'm going to extend it a little bit, okay? So make sure you pay attention. I'm going to extend it a little bit. So once I extend it, I'm going to come over here and then trim this our video. Make sure I delete some part that are not necessary, okay? I'm going to click on delete, and then here I'm going to extend it a little bit and then cut this video. Once I cut this video, okay, what I will do, I will look for mask, okay, I mean overlay. So look for overlay, okay, just look for overlay. So this is our overlay, okay. Make sure you follow the arrow button, okay. This is it. I'll click on overlay now. I'll click on overlay to put this video as an overlay, okay. So once I click on overlay, see the video have come on overlay. Then I will drag this video to the end here. So once I drag this video to the end, hold on, I'll drag this video to the end here, okay. I'll drag the video to the end of this grave, okay. You see, you have covered this space. So what I will do, I will click on the overlay video that I just dragged and then look for mask, okay. Just look for mask, go down here, and then this is mask. Make sure you follow the arrow button, okay, the arrow, click on mask. So I'm going to click on this mask and then look for circle, okay. This is circle, okay. This is circle. Click on circle, click on this circle, and then on this circle just adjust your video to fit your screen, okay, just like this, and then click on add. Then after that, use your two finger to adjust your clip, okay, your circle. You may make it big, you may make it anyhow you actually want it to be. Then if you play it like this, you are going to see how it's actually playing on the background, okay. Then after that, if you want to spice this video, you can click on the circle of that your overlay video and go to effect, okay. I'm going to add an effect of a light, okay, that will be glowing around our video, okay. I'm going to click search for light, and then they are going to load. So I'm going to use this very one, and then I've already added it on my video. So if you check, you see that the light is actually showing on my screen. So this is how you create this kind of video, okay. It's very simple.
It's very simple whenever you want to create this kind of video. So let me teach you the second step. Okay, on the second step, what you are going to do on the second method, we are going to do it um on a portrait mode. Okay, there are some videos that you'll be watching, you see it on the portrait mode. Okay, so now we're going to click on this our overlay video as well, and then change it to portrait mode. Okay, so I'm going to go over back to the mask. Okay, I'm going to go back to mask. Let me look for mask. I'm going to come back to mask and remove it on mask. Okay, and click on done. And then once I click like that, then I'm going to go to transform. Okay, I'm going to go over to transform. Now let me look for transform. Okay, so this is transform. Please follow the arrow button that I'm using to indicate it for you. This is the transform. Okay, so what you do, click on transform and click on resize. Okay, make sure you watch this video and pay full attention. This is resize. Click on resize. Now we are going to use the TikTok version, which is the 19:16 ratio. Now use your two finger to drag your video clip like this. Use your two finger to drag your video clip like this. Okay, and then mark it. Click on mark. Then you see we have this version of portrait video a little close to what we are about to explain. Now, for example, you want to tell someone that okay, you want to write something on this place now, that okay, put it on Actest, and you say how to create circle video. Okay, now yes, you bring it here, and then use your two fingers to make sure you resize it and change the font of your text. Now you can put glow by clicking on glow and then increase the intensity. Okay, and then increase the range or lower the range a little bit, and then click on mark. Then you can change this font size. Okay, so if you play this kind of video like this, you see that this person is actually explaining or looking on what is actually teaching on this video. So this is the two method that you can use to create your videos. So there are another method that I'm about to explain to you again. That is just for bonus. Okay, so if you actually want it to be in a triangle form, click on it again and then come over to transform. Okay, this transform that I actually show you guys before. On the transform, return it back. Okay, just return or come over to 16:9 ratio. Okay, and then click on done. Once you click on done, you can actually resize these here videos. There are some of these YouTubers that you are watching their videos on YouTube whereby they are explaining something and a video of themselves is on port or is on triangle where you are watching them, and they will be talking, and whatever they say will be explaining in this video. So this is how you create this kind of video. Okay, this is how you create this kind of content.